The child has a 7 square meter bedroom, just enough for the usual bed and wardrobe layout. As the kiddo grows, his collection of personal belongings also grows. He switched to homeschooling recently, and now he needs a study table for his online classes. Time for a room makeover. First, place a large L-shaped wardrobe at the corner of the wall. Here we keep the child's pre-loved clothes and trousers. Use glass doors to easily spot anyone hiding inside. Get some wood and make a cabinet for beddings. This becomes the bed's headboard. Get some more wood and build the bed frame, then stick a mattress on it. Position it by the window since the child has been dreaming all these years of spotting a Yeti. Add more storage space at the bedside. It provides extra space for stocking board games and whatnot. Fix a few soft paddings to guarantee rapid eye movement during sleep. Next, install a divider between the bed and the door. Make sure it comes with a table, a chair, and plenty of shelves for workbooks and journals. This is now the child's study area. The step doubles as a drawer for hiding those rarely washed socks. Install a power hub for recharging electronic devices and remote-controlled emo dolls. Finally, hang some intricately confusing paintings on the wall. This bedroom has been set up to set up the child for academic success.